Hiring a full-time sales assistant to manually scrape leads, copy-paste emails, and follow up is holding your business back. Right now, you can build a fully autonomous, 24/7 AI sales rep that does all of this for less than the cost of a daily coffee. The entire system runs on 3 no-code layers. Layer 1 is data extraction. We use tools like Apollo or Clay to auto-generate lists of hyper-targeted ideal clients based on their real-time hiring data or recent tech stack updates. Layer 2 is personalization. Instead of sending generic spam, an AI agent analyzes each lead's LinkedIn profile and drafts a unique, highly relevant opening sentence based on their actual background or achievements. Layer 3 is the delivery engine. Tools like Instantly.ai scale your outreach safely, automatically sending follow-ups and placing booked meetings directly onto your Google Calendar. If you want to cut your client acquisition costs by 80%, the setup guide and software links are waiting for you in the description below. Subscribe to Nexus AI Strategy, and let's build your automated sales engine today.